can't have the spoon. Cannot have the spoon, buddy. No. Take the spoon. Give the spoon. No, you don't eat the spoon. You don't eat the spoon. Give me the spoon.
Your friend has a very interesting style. Could you please tell us his name?
Chewie.
Why do you call him Chewie?
Because he chews on things.
That's incredible.
Don't try and chew the spoon. No, licks. Lick. It's tasty stuff, but we lick it. Do not bite it. Yums. No, don't bite the spoon. No, oh, you got it on your chin. Come here. Come here. Get it all over your... Ah! That is dangerous. Yes, yums. Oh boy. He loves it when it's time to take the medicine.
Many pediatricians say it is helpful to speak like Rachel Ray when you talk to your pets. I'm sure the yum helps.
Yum.
He's going at it like it's full of evil.
Yum.
You might want to try saying evil a few times.
Ew.
It's essential, I understand, to say ooh, evil quite a lot.
Let go of the spoon. Okay. No, don't eat the spoon. Don't eat the spoon. Let go. Here.
He's a lot like one of those psychics who can bend a spoon with his mind and his teeth.
I'm gonna try and keep the...
I'd like to see that. I'd like to see someone like David Copperfield bend a spoon with his teeth.
Let go!
I'd pay $3.50 to see that.
Do not eat. Do not... Okay, there's no more. No more yums.
No more iron supplement for you, buddy.
Okay, I'm gonna do his eyes.
I'm gonna sit here and make noises like a tuna fish sandwich and see if he comes this way.